We got our first stop right here. Couple chair stools. How's everybody doing this morning? There we go. Let me grab this piece of metal over here. Alright. Kind of stuck. Grab it out of here. Looks like somebody's been doing some painting. There we go. Well, that was a lot of work for 10 cents. That's what you do if you're a street scrapper, day in, day out. What we got here? A little tomato wire. It ain't worth much. But I stopped, so I might as well get something. Nah, I saw this table under here. I'm gonna see if I can. I think the legs are metal. Let's put that there. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, it's metal. Heavy. Throw it back here. Alright. Man, it's a beautiful day out here. What do we got here? Looks like a gas tank. Definitely ain't grab that. I don't know, man. I'm always interested in hoses. But, yeah, this one I'm looking. I'm just gonna leave it here. Yeah, that's me, man. I gotta have hoses. Can't have enough hoses. Yeah, let me spin this beauty over here. Alright, let's put this tank right here. This little metal thingy. And this chair, where can I get? Let's get this thing going. Put this chair here. Constantly sorting and organizing, making room for more stuff. And put this table, we'll just stick it here for now. Now we got room. Let's throw this water heater up here. Yeah, I'll go ahead and get the brass off of this thing later. Let's just tie this thing down here. Yeah, I don't want to be hitting any innocent bystander behind me. That'd be a disaster. Yeah, I remember when I first started scrapping, I had like an old rotted out lawn chair come flying off my truck in the middle of the road. Luckily there was no cars. Well, from that day on, man, I was like strapping everything down. Imagine hitting a water heater at 45 or 50 miles an hour. I'll be like, pack your bags, honey. We're heading to Mexico. Okay, forget that. Never mind. Let's just. I think it's solid. I think it's secure enough. A little loose. We'll just move this here. The chair like that. Maybe that'll keep it from tilting over too far. Yeah, it's good. I ain't gonna be driving 100 miles an hour down the road. I'll find something else in this neighborhood and pin it in there good. What do we got here? Looks like a truck bed liner cover or something. These are nice. Got Yeah, I'll take some sand in the face for aluminum. We got ourselves a grill. Blackstone. Oh, these ain't cheap, are they? Some expensive. Well, this one's seen better days. No wonder you're getting thrown out. They just don't make them like they used to. It's all rusty. But that's what happens when you leave it out in the rain. It's got like 4 screws here. I'm gonna unscrew this thing. I'm gonna go grab my drill. The underside looks really good. Yeah, if he would have just bought that $50 cover, this thing would be still cooking burgers. Yeah, but I'm not complaining, you know. Go ahead and keep your grills out in the open air and let the acid rain fall on it. Because it'll end up like this. And then your neighbors and friends will come over and you'll be like, I don't know if I want to eat on that rusty old thing. And then you'll throw it out here for me. It looks good on the underside. Didn't get rained on down here. Probably could refurbish this thing. I ain't got time though. It's like maybe 10 or 15 bucks worth of steel. And if I spend an extra 5 minutes, I can get all the brass off of it, but nah, I ain't even gonna do that. Alright, this should make it easier to stack. Good grief, man. Yeah, those were some expensive burgers right there. Well, the baby's all grown up. Let's throw out the strollers, honey.
You're right, dear, but there's so many memories here. I don't know if I can. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I picked up this air conditioner back yonder. Okay, let's make some room for this washer here. Remove all this stuff around here. It ain't going anywhere. Man, this top weighs a ton. Oh no, don't help me. It's like a puzzle. I'll figure it out. Shove this under here. Kick it. Oof. Man, put this griddle over here. This thing's heavy, man. Man, nice. Huh, motor's missing. I thought it was kind of light. Maybe the owner was trying to fix it or something. All right, honey, I think I can fix this washer.
Oh, really, dear? Go ahead, try.
Oh, good, I got to go ahead. Let me get my tools. It's got to be the motor. I don't know, maybe he was just scrapping the motor. He left a cord here. 99% of the time, or maybe 90% of the time, it's not the motor. Usually it's something in the control board, the motherboard. Yeah, those Maytag motors aren't cheap, man. They're like $150. Huh? Oh, what the heck? She just ran over that rock right there. Good grief. Yeah, you're all right. Surprised she didn't blow out her tire. Hey, here's a nice hose. I was hoping I'd find some hose today. Good grief, this thing's heavy. Gotta have hoses. Can't have enough of these things hanging around the house. Well, I was on my way to somebody's house, pick up this window here, window door, sliding doors. And then I got these baseboards too. Then I came back and I found me another washer here behind me. Just undo all this rope, man. I got it all spidered up here, nice and. I'm always paranoid about whether stuff's gonna fall out of the back of the truck, you know. You just better be safe than sorry. I'm always thinking about like repurposing stuff, like those glass doors. I think I'm gonna turn it into a greenhouse. Yeah, get a half dozen of those things. I find them all the time. Scrappers don't like them. They're heavy. They don't want to deal with the glass. But man, it would make a nice little greenhouse. Let me position it like this because the motor's in the back. Keep most of the weight there back towards the bed. And of course it ain't gonna fall out because I'm strapping it in here. Just undo all this stuff here, start over fresh. And just tie a trucker's knot right here. Cinch this in. Get it nice and tight. There we go. Bring it back around. Take it off the top this time. This thing ain't going anywhere. Tie it over here. Here's good. Cinch it down again. Yeah, bring it around again. Bring it down low here. It's like a spider, man. I'm making a web. Yeah, we got a little microwave here. I'll grab this thing. I don't think I'm gonna take those toys though. Gotta leave them for someone else. Let's just throw this back here. Yeah. Let me tie this down. Put it right here. Not going anywhere. There we go. Yeah. Let me tighten this up a little bit. I don't know how it got loose. Driving down the road. Take it back up here, maybe a little bit higher. That's better. Alright guys, there's a load minus the glass doors.